Oh yeah, panther. Our little panther. Yeah, you want some food? It's tuna. I know. Okay. Can you smell it?
Okay. I know. I know. Get you some food there. Right next to you. See what I got you? Yeah. Good.
It's okay.
You guys wondering what's going on over here?
We gotta help the kitty cat. Yeah, 'cause kitty cats are our friends, huh? You like tuna? It's okay. You're okay. I know. Where are you going? Come back and eat your tuna. Well, you didn't even know I was here recording. You don't have anything to be mad about. Did you lose your family?
You're okay. You don't have to leave. Where are you
It's
going?
okay. It's okay. Come eat your tuna.
Come on, Beth.
Oh.
Come on. Come on, Beth. Come on.
So
Our little buddy here is showing us she's in pretty good distress. So her legs, legs seem okay, but maybe it's too frozen. So I know. Well, we're walking. So we're gonna set up a heat lamp in one of our animal cages and get it some warmth. Okay, little bunny? Yeah. 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 I'm purring. Well, a little update on our kitten friend. We moved inside our garage and we are sleeping soundly now. It's in a little spot here with water and puppy pad, and of course it spilled its water. I got a heating lamp going, but it was laying in the water, so just taking a couple minutes to check it over. We pulled a couple ticks off, pretty gross. That's what happens when you live in the wild. And this little bugger is really sleeping. So, looks definitely not like a kitten, but maybe a younger cat, and definitely been living in the wild. Looking over its fur and everything here, got a little injury on top of its head there. We're just hoping we don't get any weird ringworm or anything like that. I'll try and check for any other signs of parasites that we can see here. It was stumbling quite a bit and moved out of its little box that was outside. Went right back to the feed area where the donkeys are. So, but it wasn't really able to walk and get itself away. So it didn't really seem like a really safe spot for it to be. So we came inside, and I'm gonna try and get it back to as much health as we can here, and then let it make its own decision where it wants to live. That's a little update.